The technology challenge, it's been, if it was an internet world, we know that, okay, it's probably 2 or 3 dominant browsers that I need to support at the client side, correct? But if you look at it from a technology perspective, the business perspective is always the market forces, competitors, and the consumers and the users. That's from a business perspective. From a technology perspective, in terms of the challenges that we face today, is all this plethora of operating systems that comes in. Okay, now you know that, okay, Firefox browser, Mozilla Foundation, they just came up with their own operating system, Firefox operating system in Europe. Now, you need to make sure, apart from the operating system or the platforms, you have multiple form factors, multiple devices, multiple vendors, multiple designs, pixel size. So that's a complex scenario that's a nightmare for any mobile application developer. And the second thing is, these mobile applications, if the user experience is not so good, people will shift to another mobile application, correct? In a consumer world, not in the enterprise world, probably. Enterprise world, you will be forced to use that mobile application that's being developed by your organization. Now, the high quality apps, you need to make sure that when you develop those high quality applications, not only it engages the users in terms of the user experience, it also meets the business objectives. How do we do that? These are the technology challenges. And then the third one is integrating with the enterprise systems. Mobile, we can't start all over again, correct? All the enterprise systems, the legacy applications, the banking, the insurance applications we have. Probably we can give another front end or another user interface, an entry point in terms of application software processing, transaction processing. So at the end of the day, majority of your applications or the databases or the enterprise applications, your SAP world, ERM, CRP world, mainframe world, how do we make sure that, okay, these mobile apps integrate with your enterprise systems? That's another technology challenge. And definitely, the fourth one, what we are listing out here is, how do we improve the time to market? How do I make sure that, okay, I deliver these mobile applications faster iterations, faster deliveries in a shorter duration compared to my competitors? How do we do that? So we have opportunities, the business challenges, organization challenges, and the technology challenges. So that's where, moving on to slide number 6, everyone. IBM came up with what we call as a mobile first foundation, where we are offering solutions, end-to-end solutions in terms of the mobile space. Broadly, our portfolio is divided into these 3 spaces: modernization from legacy transformation, extending the legacy features; mobile application build and connecting; mobile application development; and the third one is management security. It's predominantly in terms of mobile application security and the device security. But today we'll focus on the mobile application development, apps development. How do we do that for the multiple platforms? How do we make sure that, okay, we improve the time to market scenario, accelerate the application development? So that's the topic, that's what we're going to focus today. Going to slide number 7, everyone. In the build and connect, what are the things that we're going to talk about today? How do we, by using IBM platform or IBM solution, how do we develop these hybrid applications for multiple platforms? iOS, BB, BlackBerry, Windows 8, it could be native applications, web or hybrid applications. How can we achieve this software development lifecycle, collaborative lifecycle management while developing and delivering the software?